Are you wondering if YouTube TV notifies you when someone logs into your account? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how YouTube TV handles account security. If you're concerned about unauthorized access, you'll want to hear this. No, YouTube TV does not currently notify you when someone logs into your account. Unlike some other streaming services that send email alerts or push notifications for new logins, YouTube TV does not have a built-in feature to inform users about login activity. This means you won't receive real-time updates if someone else accesses your account, whether it's an authorized user or potentially unauthorized access. However, there are steps you can take to monitor and secure your account. For example, you can regularly check the list of devices signed into your YouTube TV account by visiting your account settings under Profile, Settings, Devices. From there, you can remove any unfamiliar or inactive devices. Additionally, enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Google account adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for unauthorized users to log in. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV handles login notifications, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.